Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a Christmas wreath. Let's get started. Okay you guys, the most important thing when making a bow is to make sure that your loops are the same size. And as you can see here, I'm just using my cutting mat to measure out my tails and to measure out my loops. And then you'll also see me bring them up and make sure that they're even on each side. Okay, you guys, what I'm using to hold my bows is called a bow dabber. It's actually a bow making tool, and I have some videos on my channel up under Bow Wednesday that will show you how to accurately use this bow maker. The bow dabber is what it's called. I also have tutorials on the Pro Bow the Hand, which is my favorite bow maker, as well as the Easy Bow Maker. So check those out if you're interested, and let's get back to the video. Okay, you guys, I'm using the clip here just to show you guys that if you don't have a bow maker and you don't like to hold the ribbon in your hand because your hand cramps or whatever, then you can also use a chip clip, a spring clip. Well, I wouldn't use a chip clip, but definitely something a little bit more stronger like the spring clip here, and that will help you out. Okay, great. Okay, you guys, now here's the wire wreath frame that we're going to be using, and as you can see, I've already completely covered it, well, almost completely covered it, and I left a little bit just to let you guys know how I do it. And you're going to make sure that you're pulling that ribbon pretty taut so that you're able to make the little pleats in there, as you can see here. As always, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by to visit with me. I'm going to be quiet now and let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you try this out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye now.